What is a gift tax exclusion? When you're talking about gift tax, it's kind of a misnomer. So the federal government says in 2022 that you can give away $16,000 to an unlimited number of people. So let's say that you have quite a lot of money and you want to bring down how much money you have because you don't want to pay an estate tax. Your financial advisor, your attorney may have said, go ahead and use your annual gift tax exclusion amount of $16,000. So you can give it to your daughter, your son, your in-laws, your grandkids, your siblings, your neighbors. I mean, it is unlimited. You can have 100 people that you give away $16,000 to. And if you're married, double it, because you and your spouse then can each do that. So it's $32,000 to all of these people because there's two people giving away the $16,000. So this might seem crazy. Why do people do that? Well, because they might have a taxable estate. They might have over the 12.06 million. That's the federal level. The thing with this gift tax exclusion annual amount is you do this and you don't even have to mention it to the IRS. You don't have to say anything about it. Now, if you want to give away more money than that, then you do have to file a gift tax return. So let's say that for whatever reason your circumstances are such that you should be giving away $100,000 or $200,000 or $500,000 this year. You can do that, and you can do that without the recipient paying any money on that gift. And in Washington state, we don't have any gift tax at all. So what we're looking at in Washington state is what is the federal level? What's the limit at the federal level for how much money can I give away? I tell my clients this and they all laugh. You can give away $12.06 million. It's like, oh, I wish. But that is what the federal government allows you to give away without paying any tax on it at all. If you give away that much money, then you've used up your federal estate tax exclusion credit amount, but you can give it away during your lifetime and pay no tax at all. You just have to tell the IRS that you did it. Still, there's no tax due. Now, that was a very extreme example, not an example that I would recommend that people use for their gifting strategies, but it's to bring the point home that there's basically two different things we're talking about when we talk about gift tax. Most people, when they're saying, oh, my accountant told me I can give away, oftentimes they say $10,000. It's $16,000 now. What that means is you can give that amount away, $16,000 every year, and not even file any tax return at all, and it doesn't eat into that 12.06 million amount. But if you give away more than that, let's say you gave away $1 million, file a tax return. You can give away $1 million. Technically, it should be $1,016,000. Then you have to tell the federal government you gave away that much, and they'll go, oh, okay, thanks for telling us. Then instead of having a $12.06 million estate tax credit exclusion amount, now since you've eaten up 1 million of it, you only have an 11.06 million left. So two very different levels of gift tax strategies. The $16,000 is the easy, no tax return required, but keep in mind you can give away far more than that and pay no gift tax at all. You just need to file a return.